Hi friends, I'm Sachin Malhotra. I'm going to be solving the homework 5 problem number 2 today. So the question is given as f of xy is given as 1 upon a into y square into x, and we are also given y is greater than 1 and x lies between 1 by y and y. First we have to find a, and so after plotting this the y and x, we can see that for y equal to x, this is the line. For y is equal to x is equal to 1 by y, this is the curve. So the area is this region. Now we have to find y or a. So for finding a, we know that from 1 to infinity and from 1 by y to y, this fxy into dy, just solving this dx into dy, so this becomes 1 by ay square. 1 by x becomes the integral of 1 by x becomes ln x, and limits are 1 by y to y. So this becomes 1 by ay square ln y minus ln of 1 by y, and just solving it, this becomes 2 by a ln y by y square into dy, and integrating it from 1 to infinity. So let's take w is equal to ln of y. So y becomes e raised to power w, and dy becomes e raised to power w into dw. So just putting those values back in the equation, we get 2 by a. The limit changes from 0 to infinity, w e raised to power w by e raised to power 2w into dw. So just cancelling out e raised to power w, we get 2 by w, 2 by a, 0 to infinity, w e raised to power minus ew dw. And using the by parts to solve this, we're taking w as u and e raised to power minus w dw as dv. So just putting those value, v becomes minus e raised to power minus v minus w. So 2 by a minus w ew minus of 0 to infinity minus of e raised to a minus w dw. We know that this value equals 1, the total probability. So on solving this, we get a equals to 2. So now for finding fy of y, we know that minus infinity to infinity fxy into dx gives us the value probability density function of y in terms of y. So just putting those values, the limit becomes from 1 by y to y, 1 by 2y square x into dx. So this becomes ln x of 1 by y to y. So on solving this, we get ln y of y square for y lying between 1 to infinity and 0 otherwise. So this is the plot for fy of y. Now similarly solving it for fx, but we have to prove that fy is a valid probability density function. So when we integrate this ln y by y square into dy from 1 to infinity, we get the value as 1. So this proves that this is a valid probability density function. So solving for fx of x, we get minus infinity to infinity fx of y into dy. This becomes, the limit becomes 1 by x to infinity, 1 by 2 y square dy for x lying between 0 and 1. So this value becomes half. For x lying between 1 to infinity, the limit changes from x to infinity for y. So this becomes, fx becomes 1 by 2x square. So plotting this, we get from 0 to 1, from x lying between 0 to 1, we get fx as half, and from 1 to infinity we get fx as half x square. Thank you.